Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna start with some new materials. I've bought some tip form color that we're gonna use today, and let's get started. I've bought these Japanese color, and it comes with the basic 12 color. And if you want to see all of the colors that I have, there is a color chart. But it will be best to see what the color exactly look like, because this is CMYK printed version. The color is not going to be the same as what you paint on the rice paper. So let's take a look at what we have. From yellow, orange, red, two kinds of green. This is the number 9 looks like it's earth, like a light color. Light brown color, and this is brown color. There are two blue colors, purple, white, and black. And this is the glue. The glue is for thickening all of any of these color out. So, but I don't think that I need to use it because these are already mixed with the glue, so they're ready to use just like any other regular Western watercolor. So these colors are available in Amazon Japan. So I'll leave a link below. If you are interested, you can buy directly from the Amazon. I don't take any commission. There is no referral link. And this is the yellow that I've tried, and these are dried. I bet I can just wet it and make it work again. I'm going to use the yellow, orange, and red. I've mixed some yellow, orange, and then take a little bit of red at the tip of the brush to paint this forest. There are different species of sunflowers, and this forest and petals are a little different. I know that I've demonstrated another sunflowers before, and this one is different. I'm painting the inner petals with just yellow and orange color. Kiso is a popular brand for tube-form traditional Chinese painting or Japanese painting. If you wonder why we use Japanese material for Chinese painting, well, Japan had imported a lot of things from China since the ancient times. My best guess is that they acquired the products or knowledge. Then they continue to develop, finesse the products and make them even better. Yes, I've been using Japanese ink, and this set of tube color was from Japan. This is the first set of paint I've bought from Japan because I've got someone left message about the color that I use. The traditional Chinese color chips from China may be difficult to find and use. So I've bought this to try and share with you the results. Well, I wanted to give it a try anyway. There were a lot of different colors, but I just can't afford to buy more than 12. If you look up the information in the shop, there are a lot of different products. You'll find some color pigments in other forms and packing. There is one more color that I'm going to use is the brown color. This is number 44. We have brown color in traditional Chinese watercolor, but I rarely use it because this is more for painting landscape, and also you can get the brown easily by mixing the orange and ink. Anyway, I'm going to dilute this color first and then add a bit of ink to paint. In Chinese watercolor, it is difficult to cover the first layer with the second one, particularly after it is dried. So when you paint a subject, you have to think about the effect that you want. After the inner petals are dried, I'm now adding the outer petals. I can paint freely without having to worry about messing up the inner petals. For the green color, there are two greens here, and this one I found it a little too bright. too vivid, I think. And then this one is the, it has the tone of like bluish tone in it. So for the plant green, I think that I'm still going to use this blue color. This looks very blue. This is number 43 to mix with the 5 yellow. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. As I'm getting the ideal green color for the leaves, I think I could possibly mix some yellow with the darker green. Well, next time. I don't want to waste color. I think this is a bit too bluish, so I'm gonna add some more yellow. One of the tricks about buying color sets is that I have been using only certain colors. So there will be some that runs out fast and some will not be touched at all. So I have to figure out how I can buy single color later. For the leaves, I've added a bit of red color at the tip of the brush to paint. Now I'm switching to use the large brush to paint a pumpkin. The color is the same. I'm using the yellow base and then get a little bit of orange shades. For the bird, I'm using the brown color and then take some ink to paint the hat. For the body, then I have mixed a little bit of orange color, brown, and then ink. I'm not using the black color in the tube form though, because I find the color looks more like the regular Western watercolor, which is not quite the same as the Chinese ink. Now I'm using ink to paint the stems for some red berries. I like shades and gradients, so I'm taking some yellow color, orange, and then some red to paint the berries. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and press the bell notification button if you haven't already. I will see you next time.